Hey YouTube! Today I'm going to be doing a Bantu knot tutorial. My hair is freshly washed, so that's why it's like wet. And then I will begin the process. Let's get into it! I first began to apply the leave-in conditioner or any other product of your choice. I choose leave-in conditioner because I feel as if it has a better end result for when I do my Bantu knots. Now you should begin parting your hair down the middle. Even parts are the best, but I mean when you're doing your hair yourself it's a little hard to see the back of your head. So then you'll split your hair in two to make two ponytails, and you will put the remaining pieces of your hair that you're not using aside in a ponytail. Now split the hair that you just parted in two and begin the two-strand twist. One key, make sure you twist the hair until it's to its tip and you cannot see any more like leftover puff left. Then you will begin to wrap the hair until it feels tight around the root, and you're just going to keep wrapping until you do not see any remainder hair sticking out. Finito! Now you will repeat this process. Split the hair in two, begin the two-strand twist, twist to the tip, wrap the hair around your finger until you do not see any more hair left over. But then what I like to do is do like two-strand twists like in two, because it like saves me time and it also leaves the hair that's on the side from getting in the way. The process is very repetitive when it comes to Bantu knots, so I try to make the parts as straight as possible, twisting as tight as possible, because the tighter the Bantu knot twists are, the tighter the curls will come out in the end result. It feels good when the Bantu knots start coming out right. You gotta be a little happy dance. I'm getting towards the end. I hope that my video helped. I hope you all enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to see these natural styles done on your head, I do them as well. Comment for more information. Thank you for watching.